Have you ever wondered how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to write better without sounding like a robot? In 2026, AI tools have become increasingly sophisticated, but many professionals struggle to use them effectively. Today, we're going to explore the latest techniques for writing with AI and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, let's talk about what makes AI writing tools so powerful. With the latest models, you can generate high-quality content, such as blog posts, articles, and even entire books, in a fraction of the time it would take to write them manually. For example, the popular AI writing tool, Lumen 5, can generate a 500-word article in under 10 minutes. But, as we'll see, the key to using these tools is to use them strategically and not just as a crutch. So, let's take a look at one of the most popular AI writing tools, Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant. This tool uses natural language processing